5 frequently asked questions about permanent partial disability benefits. When an employee suffers a severe work injury during the normal course and scope of her job duties, the aftermath could be months or even years of treatment by doctors and physical therapists. Once professionals have done everything possible to help the injured worker heal and regain the use of the injured body parts, the worker is said to have reached a state called maximum medical improvement. This means that the employee has recovered to the fullest extent possible due to the injury sustained. While we always hope that we can return to the same level of ability and productivity as prior to the accident, sometimes this just isn't possible due to the severity of the injury. When this is the case, there's a specific type of workers' compensation benefit called permanent partial disability that an injured worker might qualify to receive. If you or a family member or friend has been injured on the job, it's important to consult with an experienced workers' compensation lawyer to discuss whether your specific injury may qualify you to receive a PPD benefit. What is permanent partial disability, or PPD? If your work injury has caused a lasting disability from which you cannot fully recover, and it affects your performance of certain required job duties or the daily activities necessary for you to care for yourself, you may have a permanent partial disability. Virginia law states that employees injured on the job qualify for PPD benefits if they have a permanent impairment, loss of function, amputation of extremity, or other permanent damage, such as damage to an employee's vision or hearing. Additionally, injuries resulting in scarring or disfigurement from burns, surgeries, bone fractures, severe cuts and lacerations may also qualify for an injured worker to receive PPD benefits. What is a permanent impairment rating? After an injured worker reaches maximum medical improvement, the treating doctor or a qualified and approved physical therapist will conduct a thorough, objective examination to rate the functionality of the injured body part in question. This doctor or physical therapist will then assign what is known as an impairment rating, which is typically a percentage of the loss of use or functionality of the injured body part on a scale from 0 to 100. That percentage indicates the severity and extent of the permanent impairment and is the critically important rating used when calculating PPD benefits.